Sigma Company was established in 1989 and is located in Kula. It employs about 40 people. Its main activity is the production of Hlorogen plants for producing diluted solution of sodium hypochlorite, where it was consumed in the process of electrolysis from an aqueous solution of salt and automated dispensing systems. Sigma is the only manufacturer of this technology in Southeast Europe, and up to this day has installed over 80 water supply plants throughout Serbia and Montenegro in food industry and hospitals. Sigma has also developed a new device, oxychlorogen, which produces mixed disinfectant in a completely harmless manner out of salt and water using electricity. Each device from its product range goes through stages of design and development, as well as production and quality control. Sigma is engaged in engineering, installation of automatic disinfection of drinking water, as well as user training.